To relieve the significantly heavy debate on corruption and the abolition of pork barrel that's happening not long in the Philippines, let us talk about the highly anticipated 2013 MTV Video Music Awards that went off with a bang Sunday night. Here are the news. Starting the festivities was Lady Gaga, who donned wigs and ensembles representing various Gaga eras during her applause performance and her return to the stage since her hip surgery earlier this year. Before launching into her comeback single, the pop provocateur began with an a cappella operatic performance with her famous face encased in a white cube. And in case you might not know, the booing was part of her act. In typical fashion, Gaga topped herself by almost going topless, stripping down to a seashell bikini to watch the rest of the show. After that came everything from Miley Cyrus stripping down to a yellow two-piece while performing raunchy, rather suggestive with Robin Thicke amid a bunch of huge stuffed animals. Justin Timberlake, on the other hand, performed a medley of his hits, which had Selena and Taylor along with the rest of the audience on their feet. But what really made the audience squeal was when all the members of NSYNC came in surprise to perform their own hits on the stage. And that wasn't the last of the fantastic surprise star turns. MACKLEMORE and Ryan Lewis' Same Love performance included a surprise appearance by Jennifer Hudson and might have been the most moving VMA performance to date. As for the most awkward moment aside from Miley's hair, did Taylor really drop an F-bomb while One Direction and ex-Harry Styles were on stage? The internet sure thinks so.
Just awesome. I also want to thank the person who inspired this song, who knows exactly who he is, because now I got one of these. Thank you so much!
The artists who took home a Moonman trophy were
about love.
Spread it across.
Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Just give me yours on my heart. You're not broken, just bend till we can learn to love again. I'm tear ducts in a rise.
Been swinging in the air tonight. Let me show you a few things. Let me show you a few things. Show you a few things of our love.
And we go fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't.
And I can't change me warm. She keeps me warm.
We press play.
And we dance all night. Oh, oh, oh. We went yeah. I think we go.
But far better with the crowd was Katy Perry, who closed out the show with a live performance of her hit single Roar outside under the Brooklyn Bridge. So was it the best VMAs yet? We will let you decide for yourself. Louis de la Vega, Pangasinan Watch.